Welcome to 1.3 vertical angles. In today's lesson, we're going to be talking about a pair of angles that are referred to as vertical angles. And as you can see here, vertical angles are a pair of opposite angles made by two intersecting intersecting lines. So when two lines cross paths, it's called intersecting. So that's this word right here, intersecting. So when two lines are intersecting, they form pairs of vertical angles. And so basically what that means here is that if you look at this one as A and B and C and D, then in this case, A is the same as B and C is the same as D. So this area here, this angle formed right here, and this angle formed right here, those are the same measure, and then this is the same here. The best way for me to remember this, in my opinion, is to look at it in this manner. If you look here, A and B are both obtuse, while C and D are both acute angles, right? So that means acute means they're smaller than 90, and obtuse means they're greater than 90 degrees, but less than 180. And so you can tell that the two obtuse angles are the same when they intersect, and the two acute angles are the same when they intersect. Okay, so they have the same measure. So really, all you have to do is if you know C, then you also know D. If they tell you what B is, then you can tell what A is. All right, so in our sample problems here, we're going to try to find and solve for B. All right, so here is our first one. So go ahead and try it on your own. And now I will tell you that this angle over here, whoops, it jumped on me there. This angle is the same as this angle. So it's really simple. B is equal to 61. Did you get 61? I hope so. All right. Super simple, right? Now this is more complicated because there are so many more lines, but really for this one we can unimagine this line, right? So if we think that line, if we forget that that line exists and only focus on this line and this line intersecting, now we can see exactly what we saw before, right? So sometimes it's tricky like that. All right, and this next one, it's going to be a little different trickiness, and it's going to have two triangles that are intersecting. But check it out, there's still two lines, so try it on your own real quick. All right, let's see if our answers match up. So if I'm focusing on this line here and this line here, remember these lines for the point of this problem are irrelevant. So B should equal 88 degrees. Okay, so that's it. It should be super, super easy today.